Hey guys, welcome to my tutorial. So here is the first layer. I forgot to record it. It's blue mica powder mixed with resin, and I let it thicken up for a few hours before I added the flowers, so that way the flowers didn't sink inside. I let the coasters cure for a day, and the next day I added clear resin on top just to cover up the flowers and the leaves that I had put in. Here's the fun part, guys, the demolding. I like how they looked, but one of the flowers, the couple petals kind of curled up while curing and stuck out of the top. So after taking them out, I decided to edge them and then add the top coat so that way I could seal the edges in too. I love how pretty they look in the sun. These flowers and leaves were actually from my own garden. I pressed them at home and used them in these coasters. Okay, so here I am edging my coasters. I use the Deco Color Premium pen, the silver one, to line my coasters. I do a delicate edge on them. I like to do the top and a little bit on the side, and on the bottom I do a line so the middle part of it on the sides stays transparent so you can see the depth. I like it that way, but you can completely do the edge if you like to. I did not record the top coat. I kind of forgot about it. But here they are. I did the top coat on them. The edges are done. You can see on the sides what I was telling you about the edges. So I like it a little bit transparent in the center that way. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know if you liked it in your comments. And please check out my links for FB and Insta too.